it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. We're going to be planning the week of November the 23rd to the 29th. Can you believe? Oh my goodness. It's almost December. Oh my goodness. Where did this year go? It's been crazy. It feels like it's dragged on, but it's gone so fast. So I don't even know what to say now. I'm getting old. Time is going by fast. That's all I can say. I don't know if anybody else is noticing it or if it's just me, but it's not fun. Anyway, we're going to be using this beautiful kit from Winterfield Studios. It is a small town Christmas kit, and it is just adorable. I've been waiting to use this for so long. Look at this bottom washi. Isn't it cute? And then the snow on the top washi. There's your little accessories, some checklists, some little layering pieces. And then some boxes, some habit trackers. There's 5 of them. And then there's 3 heart checklists. Your Monday to Sunday. Your sidebar box Monday to Sunday. Some little weather icons and some deco. Anyways, this kit is beautiful. I've been waiting to use it. I actually planned on using a fall kit today, but I looked out the window when I woke up this morning and it was snowing and there's snow on the ground and it continues to snow. So I felt like using a snowy kit and this fits the bill. Also, while I've got you, let's go ahead and show you my freebie. This is my current freebie for Winterfield Studios. You can receive this by using my code JODI, that's capital J-O-D-I, for 20% off in the shop, and this will also give you this super cute freebie. My freebie will be changing quite soon for a winter freebie. This is the fall, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait to show it with you, or share it off to you. Show it off to you guys. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get planning. I'm going to lay down the bottom washi, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to zoom in just a skosh, so you can see it better and get to laying the washi down. So yeah, I was totally surprised when I woke up and saw the snow. Gidget and I, when I wake up in the morning, I pick her up, give her some snuggles, open the drapes, and we look outside. Well, this morning when we did that, it was funny because I looked out the window. I let an expletive fly. This is a PG-rated P-rated channel, so, or G-rated or whatever, so I won't say the word, but you can all imagine. And she looked at the snow, looked at me, looked at the snow, and then went so she felt the same way that I did. And I have to agree, I was not impressed. I am not a snow girl. So if you hear a snowplow or a snowmobile or a snowplow go down the street while I'm filming, I apologize for that. But we are in a small town. And once snow flies, snowmobiles come out and they bomb up and down the street. So that could very well happen while I'm filming. Actually, I'm surprised I haven't heard any yet because it's lunch hour now. It's noon. And usually, if snow flies, they're out and about first thing in the morning, bombing around on snowmobiles. The only thing I can think of is Saturday. And either people are out holiday shopping, or they are recuperating from their week at work. So I'm just going to put down the date strip now. It's so nice that these come in one strip. Helps me lay it down straight because I am so hard with the ones where I have to put them down one at a time. I used an older format of Lana's kits the other week. Let's see. Where did it go? This one here. And these were all separate, and they are not straight. They're crooked. This is my current week. I'm using a kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. I love how it's turned out so far. I failed epically on the to-do list for the week. A whole lot of stuff to do next week, which is the week I'm filming now. So let's go ahead and put the sidebar box in, this gorgeous Monday to Sunday tracker. I use this for my meals. So let's go ahead and put it right up at the top. that in, get some habit trackers. I'm using these tweezers from, I don't know if you can see it, from Tweezers Planner Co. They've got my name, they're personalized. She sent them to me. They're so pretty. I love them. You really have to check her out. These are such fun tweezers, and I know they're just tweezers, but you know what? We're planner girls. We all like to be a little extra and a little girly, and these fit the bill. I really like them. You know what I'll do is I'll put the link down for her shop below, because they really are cute, and there's a bunch of different styles available. It's not just all the sparkle stuff. I know she's got Mickey ears and things like that, stripes and rainbows and etc. And I always get asked where my tweezers come from. The ones I was using prior, and you will still see in Planning Plan with Me's, I'm sure, were just regular tweezers, eyebrow tweezers. But since I got these sent to me, I thought I would go ahead and take advantage of it. I'm just going to put down all of these checklists. I don't know what I'm going to track in them all. Generally, I track my health care. I really should be tracking a no spend because I've been really spendy lately, like on everything. So I'm going to put all 5 down. And we'll see what I use them for during the week. So I've got Gidget here beside me. I don't know if you can hear her walking around. I sit on the edge of the bed while I film, and I've got my little desk pulled up to the bed because I've got my light behind it, and that's how its stand works. So she's right here beside me. So I'm going to put down the full boxes, and I'm going to stagger them as usual. There are 8 of them, so I'll use one for a theme as well. So I usually just stagger them on either side of this, the left-hand part of the planner. I think it looks really pretty when I do that. Lana's kits are perfect for your Hobonichi because it gives you the feel of having a 5x7 planner, or a 7x9 planner, sorry. So you get a full kit feel in the Hobonichi, and then her kits are so darling. They're hand drawn. So if any of you like that kind of feel to your kits, these are definitely for you. She does an amazing job, and what I really like about working with Lana is not only has she become a really close friend of mine, we also she will take ideas. So if I say to her, you know, this would be a really cute kit, she runs with it. And that's what she did with this. I told her, you know, it'd be really cute to have a winter scene kit. And she took it and she ran with it. And because this is so close to the bottom washi, I'm going to put it up at the top, up here, so it stands alone, and use it as my theme box. There. And then we'll use another pink box down at the bottom. And so now I'm going to put the checklists in. So I suppose I'm going to have to go out and shovel the snow after, which is not fun. But I like to keep the drive cleared. And hubby and I usually take turns going out. So it's not just one of us doing it. We go in shifts. I don't think it's supposed to snow the whole day, so it'll probably just be the one time, maybe 2 times that we go out. The funny thing is it's supposed to be back up into the 60s again this week, so it's all over the map. I hope so, because I finally got some bulbs in that I ordered about a month ago, so I need to get them in the ground. And I don't want the ground to be too frozen before I try to dig into it. So I'm hoping that tomorrow it warms up a little bit and gets rid of this stuff so that I can get those planted. And let's do a little bit of deco at the side here. I'm going to use these little light strands. Put them underneath this box here because I think it looks cute. And then use the little boxes, the gift boxes up here. And then, let's see, there's a little picture with some, looks like some evergreen branches in it. Put that down there in the corner. And a coffee mug, or it looks like cider actually. There's a little bit of cinnamon sticks and a lemon in it, so that must be some cider. And a winter candle. I always like to use the deco that Lana includes in the kits. So let's get to the date dots, and they will be from Simply Beautiful Plans. They're silver. I'm choosing silver to go with this week. And let's see, that, like I said, it's the 23rd, so I'm going to get these laid down. I'll zoom in just a little bit further, so when I start doing the day-to-day, you'll see better. So, of course, there's no 23. Figures. There's one on that one, so we'll change it out. Thankfully, I have a lot of these. I usually pick them up with every kit that I pick up from Simply Beautiful Plans. I get the date dots just so I have enough of them to avoid this from happening in the future. So the COVID numbers are going up. This seems like a theme in every plan with me I'm doing lately. The COVID numbers are going up. So they've shut down Toronto. As of Monday, they're going into full lockdown again. Toronto's a couple of hours away from me. So it's starting to get a little bit closer to home again. And the town where I come from, the city I come from, they've also started with some closures as well. So it's definitely going to be a quiet Christmas because my family is in that town. So unless they open up prior to the Christmas happening, it's going to be a quiet Christmas. So let's go ahead and use some icons. I'm using all silver icons this week. And these were from Winterfield Studios. These hand-drawn coffee cups for Coffee Monday. Put that right up there. Monday is also the last day of my PGU sale. It is ongoing as we speak. You want to check that out. It's the pre-Black Friday sale that I'm running. And there are 13 shops that have got some amazing prices, amazing discounts. And you'll want to check them out. And I'm trying to get... I asked Lana to send me miscuts, so that's what this is. Her sheets are usually gorgeous. But you can still get them off the sheets. They're just cut a little bit deeper. So hopefully she'll bring some to the shop for you all guys, because right now I'm using them and I'm loving them because they're still quite usable. So you should just ask her to include offcuts or to add them to the shop to an oops section. That would be wonderful. I'm also going to be using now these little letters, and I'm going to be expecting a delivery from Walmart on Monday. Oops, can you see that? There. So again, that's from Winterfield Studios. I need to call in a prescription, and it's not a prescription bottle. I really need to ask Lana to make some of them, but these are stethoscopes, again, hand-drawn, again from Winterfield Studios. I'm going to be calling Tuesday to call in prescriptions. I need to clip Gidget's nails, and she is not going to be happy with me, but they're going to be done just the same. And so this is from, again, Winterfield Studios. She did a little paw print for me. I'm going to be doing those on Wednesday. She's going to be a very unhappy girl when I do that. Some of the scripts from Winterfield Studios. She has several options in the shop. The link to her shop is below. And she's also is quite open to doing customs. So this says groceries, and Thursday I do my groceries. So I'll put that in there. Friday is garbage day, so I'm going to be using these from the cleaning icon sheet from Winterfield Studios. So I'm going to be using the trash can. And I really do need to order more of these. So that's on Friday. And Saturday is open so far. Sunday, you know me, you know I'm going to say it. I'm going to call my mom. And so I'm going to use the hand-drawn telephones from Winterfield Studios to put that in there as well. And I'm going to be doing laundry, which I'm presently doing as well. And I've got these laundry icons from B&R. Get that in there. And then that is it. That is my plan all set out. Simple and easy today. Quite straightforward. And I didn't stumble all the way through it. Just a little bit at the beginning. So that's new. So this is how the spread turned out. It is very pretty. A little bit of the foil in it. All my foil icons. You guys know I love my foil, and I love Lana's shop for my little foil icons because they're perfect for this and for vertical planners. And so thank you for watching today. I really appreciate every time you come and watch, and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel lately, and the ones who have been with me for a long time. I thank every one of you. Please take a moment to like my video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.